Hey, appeal.
We have to stay up there?
Yeah.
Why? What are you going? Can you sit down for a minute?
I don't clean up.
Tell Daddy about your dream you had last night.
I already told him.
Can you tell me again?
I had a new dollhouse.
Did you play with it?
I had two dollhouses. This dollhouse for me and the other dollhouse for my sister. I mean my old dollhouse for me.
Oh, which one's bigger?
This one.
Oh.
This one. We have a new dollhouse for you. We have a new dollhouse. Don't the new dollhouse for my sister.
Hey, Claire.
No.
Claire, can you count to 12?
No. I don't mess up the calendar.
Oh, please don't mess up the calendar, Claire. That's not a good idea.
I'm too free.
There was a pattern there in the calendar, wasn't there?
No, sister, don't. Don't.
Hey, Claire. Claire, what did you get for Easter?
No kitty. No kitty neither. No kitty. No, I want to appeal.
Hey, Claire. Claire,
Yeah.
sit down for a second.
Oh, but I don't think you better go up there. You'll see. And the phone, then I will pass by my room. So you better have it on to free.
What do you want us to do?
I don't talk to night how we will say the phone, then I will pass by my room. Because I'm told to free.
Okay, should we count?
You have to say up there about the count to free. You'll say the phone, I will pass by my room. And I won't clean up my room.
Why won't you clean your room up? She just ripped that.
To be up here.
Okay, Dad, you want to get back? You want to go on the bed?
Yes.
Can I stay down here though?
I'll go up there with Adeline.
I will do her door up there.
Okay.
And you too. 1, 2.
Ouch!
No, doing the out of the way. How my sister and I will sit up there. Let me get